Hi everyone. Today I'm welcoming you to the GetPOS demonstration. GetPOS also offers you to edit item rates. In the theme settings for GetPOS, you can choose a threshold limit that your POS user or POS person can make the changes up to threshold percentage for which no authorization will be needed. For example, I have put it 10%. After 10%, if the POS user makes changes greater than 10%, then they will need to add the hub manager or the main manager's password to proceed with the change. As you can see, if I make a change greater than or less than or equal to 3%, then it will let me place the order. The order is placed. Now for the same item, if I make the change greater than 10%, it asks me to put the authorization since the new price is outside the range. So I'll have to key in the password and authorize this transaction. Now that this transaction is authorized, I can place the order and the order gets placed. GetPOS also offers various hardware integrations like a cash drawer, a barcode scanning machine, card machine, and printers. So in this ordering screen, if I've integrated with the barcode and my items have a barcode while configuring the items, as you can see, I can add multiple barcodes based on the barcode standards EAN UPC. So it works with all these barcode standards, and I just have to put in the barcode. Once I've put in the barcode, then on this screen I just have to scan and that item will automatically be added to the cart. For the cash drawer, the moment I press cash, the cash drawer will automatically open for the transaction. Similarly, a card machine, when I click on card, the card machine gets activated for the payment. And the printer, the moment the order is placed, a printer prints the receipt of the order. Even on the order history page, I can search different orders based on customer, sales order ID, and so on. So on this also I have an option to reprint. So if it's connected to the printer, it will reprint again.